Hello everyone. Uh, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove noise in Camtasia whenever you're recording any voice narration in Camtasia. uh, in case if you get a noise with added with your voice, uh, there is an option to remove it in Camtasia. It's an inbuilt option. You can use it to make your voice better. First let me show you how does it looks like when I record my voice. So I'll be recording this voice narration. Let me start. Hey guys, this is the voice check in Camtasia without noise reduction. Okay, fine. Let me play this now for you. Hey guys, this is the voice check. Let me increase the volume. Let me play it again. Hey guys, this is the voice check in Camtasia without noise reduction. If you listen carefully, hey guys, this is the voice check in Camtasia without noise reduction. There is a background noise. You know, whenever you don't speak, there will be a humming noise in the background, right? So we can remove it. You just have to go to audio effect, noise removal, just drag this to your sound clip. Now if I play it back, hey guys, this is the voice check in Camtasia without noise reduction. Now if you observe the background noise, whenever you are not speaking anything, that humming noise has been reduced.